Recording Charlie. Where are we going?
Binningup Beach Caravan Park.
Say hi, girls.
What?
Say hi.
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 Hi. We got Charlie this time. She's super excited. It's Levi! Happy birthday, Levi!
Thank you.
Hi, Jaden.
Hi. 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 Hi.
Hey. Huh?
Hi.
Oh, here we are. We made it. Binningup Beach Caravan Park. We got the tunes pumping. The esky is full. Anyway, as I said, we're at the caravan park with the crew. We got margarita in your drawers.
If you guys,
Otherwise, we're gonna get
Good
so
morning.
drunk before.
yeah, I know.
We got Aaron.
Yo!
We got Toby.
What's this? What's this?
Evelyn.
Ooh.
Our loco. Oh, Casamigos. My favourite. The town drunk. He nicknamed himself Hunter 1, but you know we call him
Hunter
Poncho.
2, thank you.
Hunter 2.
Hunter 2.
I call him the Poncho.
That's his Hunter 1.
On site we called him Poncho. And we got Charlie.
Yeah, she got to run So, I went to court. The judge was that because they don't want anything more than fair to want
Our mansion taco. Our mansion taco 2. And Chualand.
Charlie.
Your yellow's going on. Wait, why?
But that's 31, like.
That's for music.
They should stand up.
Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba David. Para los niños bonitos se las cantamos así.
If you're looking
Despierta, mi bien despierta, mira que ya amaneció. Ya
No one
los
else can sing the song right now.
Ya los pajaritos cantan, la luna ya se metió. Wait. Now we sing. Now we sing.
It's a normal song now.
Okay, now we go.
Change it.
Happy birthday. Alright.
Cast it down.
No, Dad, if you're facing this way, it doesn't say
Quisiera felicitarte.
Wait.
Classic.
Yeah, classic.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Levi. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Levi. Birthday to you. Hip up! Hip up! Hip up! Cheers!
Where's Charlie?
Oh, right, we got everything around here.
Yeah. Ideally.
Yeah, dig in if you want some as well. Shower.
Had to go packing all that shit.
Michael's soup. Thank you, Michael, for the Feast of Champions.
You only got like 10 kilos or something like that.
Go.
No!
Go.
Compadre,
Did do a full lap around. Said I have to drink. This is fun.
Hell yeah.
Alberto. Give us a dance, Alberto.
Said she got on a day off, day one, J1, cruising a madness. Talking,
trust you would.
madness, price,
My dear Lord.
Hello, Charlie.
Oh, I have to be so close.
That bowl, just 40? Yeah. Look at the thick walls.
Drunken night.
Yo, yo.
Tommy is hungover.
I checked it yesterday, man. I can't afford it. I checked yesterday.
He's doing pretty well.
Alright. What's that?
I said you're doing pretty well. I emptied all the shoes, sorry.
Yeah, no, that's alright.
As in, they're just sitting on your boot.
They got a really thick wall. Yeah. Thick. Yeah, I know, I kept spinning out as well. I asked Margaret, well,
Yeah, that looks already.
Look at it now, man. Fucking hair's coming out.
Who's that? Oh, Zanganini.
Yay! Aaron, like, go, Aaron,
Where's your
go,
fish?
stop slowing down.
Esky already.
I just left them high forward the whole time, eh? But there was a big pile of slop coming up, and I was like, yeah, fuck. Yeah, fucking bottle was on that. I did. I was like, yeah, that's where Chris got bogged last time.
There's a water rush in.
Yeah, that's where bloody he got bogged last time. Took us nearly 3 hours getting in. What's the pool?